Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, the SP 500 index fund, and the Dxy Marketwatch, my friend. So, if you are new here, also we are a channel specialized only about analyzing the market, my friend. So, if you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel. You're going to benefit from all our analysis free, my friend. And if you be a subscriber with us, go down and smash the like button, my friend. Help us to grow up more that channel. So let's start the lesson of today, my friend. So as you see, my friend, what did I told you yesterday here about the Bitcoin when that candle came here, that pin bar, that nice pin bar. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, my friend, what did I told you here about that pin bar yesterday? And me actually that about 5 days. Also when we touch in here, me I told you to enter long, my friend. If you remember it, and I told you the target is it here. And look where we are now. If you enter all that you're making till now, you're making very nice profit, my friend. And you can watch all our videos, my friend. Also, we are the only Bitcoin analyzing channel in YouTube. We give you signal to buy Bitcoin. Majority of other channels, my friend, they just telling you the Bitcoin is falling. We're going to fall. Me, I told you to buy from here. And I tell you the take profit is it here. And you can watch all our previous videos, my friend. Everything's still in the channel. Now, as you see it, my friend, it came that green one. The price it fall down again till here. Then look where we are. We are very, 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 very close to hit the target. Also, we put first, my friend. That's the power of our analysis, my friend. How did I told you all that? Because if you see here in the volume, my friend, here and here in the chart, what you seeing? It's a divergence, my friend. It's a divergence, my friend. That's the power of our analysis, my friend. And here, as you see, my friend, also we still here in the down channel. But also we don't care, my friend. If the market is going to drop, that's my personal view. I think it's going to go till here, maybe. Then after that, it's going to make for you to give you a head and shoulder like that. Then after that, it will drop in, my friend. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, my friend. If you want just to earn few pips or few points or to growing up your account by day trading and scalping the Bitcoin market, you are in the right place, my friend. If you trade in the stock market, my friend, also we update you every day. We give you the SP 500 what it's doing, or the SP 500 index fund what it's doing, because that the heart of US market. The US market has got SP 500 and Nasdaq. Also, we're analyzing the SP 500 because the SP 500 it's been the best 500 companies in US stock market, and all of them they are in that index, my friend. So let's go in now to analyze for you the index fund. What is it there, my friend? That one, my friend, as you see it, it's still here in that zone. And what else we tell you? We tell you that zone here. You need to make a close attention at it, my friend, because I think from that zone, maybe it's going to go upward till here. Then after that, maybe it's going to drop. But till now, it doesn't give us yet here any signal to buy. So let's zoom it a little bit. As you see it, my friend, it doesn't give us here any signal to buy here. It just gives us that candle here. But the daily it hasn't finished, my friend. It's left for a 3 hours, 8 minutes, or it's at 3 hours. So you need to make a close attention at that level, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Even if we go lower to lower time frames, like 4 hours or something, as you see it, my friend, here in the 4 hours, what you see in here in the SP 500, my friend, here you see the SP it's breaking for you the 200 moving average, and now it go back to that level to test it again. So you need to make a close attention what it's going to do now. If it's going to go higher and to give you another high, my friend. But in the daily, you're still in a downtrend, my friend. So you need to make a close attention at those things, my friend. I think everything is too clear, my friend. And here in 4 hours, it give you here, we are in an uptrend like that. But the trend is being broken here in that zone. Now I think it's going to go back to test that trend. Then after that, it's going to drop again, my friend. So the levels you got here for the SP, my friend, you got that level here at 41.41, another level here at 43.09, and the one here at 39.04, my friend, and the one here at 36.88. So you need to make a close attention at those levels, my friend. So now let's go into 1 hour to analyze the SP 500 more for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 1 hour, my friend, as you see it, what the market tried to give you here, if you see it like that, now it's giving you a cup and handle. So you need to make a close attention at that level here, my friend. If the market break it here by a candle came and close and break for you the 200 moving average, as you see it, that one, you're going to see the SP going down to here, my friend. But me, I think now it's going to go upward a little bit like that. Then after that, maybe it's going to drop. So you need to make a close attention at those things, my friend. So that's it for the SP 500 index fund, my friend. Let's go in now to the Dxy to show you what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in the Dxy or the US dollar index. That one, I told you yesterday, we got here a red candle in that level here or that zone. But till now, it doesn't show us we are going to go down. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, here, what it give you here. It give you here that candle. But the next candle will came next to it. It's showing now there is a pin bar. But that pin bar not yet confirmed because that candle is left for it 5 hours and for the daily to finish, my friend. And I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend, for everything. So make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notifications. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to receive it, my friend. Now I think, my friend, we are going to go a little bit lower, maybe till that zone here. Because here you got a supply and demand zone, my friend, as you see it here. So I think it's going to go here or it's going to go to touch that trend line because till now, as I showed it to you before, here in the Dxy, my friend, you are in an uptrend. You see where it is the 200 moving average. That one is a smaller trend. We started from here. The long trend is it here with the SP. I think it's going to go to it. If it go to it, that is going to be very good. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go into 4 hours to show you what is it there here at the Dxy, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here at the 4 hours, my friend, as you see here, the Dxy, what it's trying to give you here, it tried to give you here a small W or small M or small double top. So make a close attention at that one, my friend. But as I tell it to you, if it drop, it's going to drop just till here, till 107. So you need to make a close attention at that level, my friend, that one. What is the market going to do? But let's zoom it and see the price action, what it's telling us there. As you see, my friend, here, the price, it gave you here a big engulfing red candle. But the buyers is still pushing up. But as you see here in that zone, us we're talking about here, that one. What the market giving you, my friend? Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear. As you see it, my friend, here. It came big engulfing red candle. The greens, they started only slowly, like that. Then what it came here, if you purchase our technical analysis course and you're learning about those candlesticks and those things, here and here, my friend, that red candle and that red candle and those ones inside it, what else we said about it? We said those ones is continuation candles, my friend. Actually, that price here is going to drop, my friend. It might that one going upward, but it's going to drop till here. Till I tell it to you at 107, my friend. And that is going to be the good scenario, my friend, for the Dxy. So make sure to subscribe, my friend, and hit the like. You done it? If you think the Dxy is going to fall down, my friend, write it for us down in a comment or write investing in Dxy to help that channel, my friend. So let's go in now to 1 hour to show you what is it there. Here in 1 hour, my friend, as you see it, what here it's trying to give you here, I tell it to you in the daily, it tried to give you here a double top, but till now nothing confirmed, my friend. And you can even draw here like that and like that, a triangle, my friend. So you're waiting the price to come to break it lower here. And you're calculating from here to here like that. But you need to make a close eye at that 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear on that 200 moving average is in the 4 hours and the 1 hour in the same level, 107, my friend, as you see it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Dxy Marketwatch. Well, now we're analyzing for you the Dxy, so you understand the Dxy here. It tried to go down. The SP, it tried to go up. I think even the Bitcoin, it will go in upward, my friend. So now let's go into analyze the Bitcoin, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we came back, my friend, to the Bitcoin. As you see the Bitcoin here, it's going up, and the territory is going to go tail here. So now let's analyzing our indicators, my friend, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, that our indicator, if you remember what me I told you about that level here, what did I told you before? I told you it's going to go tail here, my friend. It's going to go tail there to touch for us that level. Then after that, it's going maybe to break it up, or maybe it's going to drop till the oversold area. But till now, us we are in a smaller bullish signal, my friend, in the Bitcoin. So make a close eye at that level, my friend. So, and me, I'm going to update you every day, my friend. So that's why me I told you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So let's see now the 4 hours for the Bitcoin, my friend, price prediction. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, what did I told you before? If you remember, and you being someone who be a subscriber with us for a lot of time, told you we got here that channel, if you remember it. And I told you here is going to go till the top of it, or at least it's going to go to that 200 moving average. And also we're drawing that level here, we put it with red. In the previous videos, when that big candle in daily fall down, my friend. And as you see it, may I give you signal to enter from here, from down, my friend. Look where we are now. That's the power of our analysis, my friend. You can find this in any other channel. Majority of them, they just analyzing for you, my friend. Also, we give you the right places to enter, my friend. So now let's zoom in and see what the price action given us there. As you see, my friend, here the volume down, it's spike big volume, my friend. And here we are very close to that level, but you need to make a close eye at that level here. The one here, my friend. That candle here, which is going now, it needs to close above it. If it doesn't, if it came down, if it's doing for you like that and give you a big tail, actually the market is going to go tail down here. You need to make a close eye at that level, my friend, because that level here, that we're holding that price from don't going up. And another thing here, if you see here, if you came here like that, and you extend those lines like that, and you came here to the one like that, it give you here a rising wage, my friend. As you see it, is a smaller rising wage here in the 4 hours, and the one is near to touch the top of it. So you need to make a close eye at it. If it's breaking by a candle upward, my friend, you calculating from here till here like that, and the target is going to be here, as I told you before, at that 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So now make a close eye at that 4 hours candle. When it's going to finish, my friend, what the price is going to give you there. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, if you remember, me I told you to enter from here, exactly from here. And I tell you, that one is very, very, very rare happening here. It enters the oversold area, my friend. Look where we are now. We are at the 50 level. It's waiting now here that our indicator to break in the top. If it break it, we are going to upward, my friend. It will not be today or tomorrow. It will take some time, but is it going up here, my friend? So make a close eye at those things, my friend. By the way, if you want how else we using that indicator, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is our investing Bitcoin course. Go to it. It's going to teach you everything about that indicator, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, my friend, what it given us. That one, my friend, if you remember us, we told you here, is it at the oversold area. Now it go out. I think we are going to go till here till the overbought area, my friend. By the way, that indicator, that one, if you want it, you go to one video here in our channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading the cryptocurrency. In the description of that video, there is the code source of that indicator, download that and go to your trading view and go to the pen editor and paste it there and add it to your chart. You're going to have that indicator. Setting of it, don't change nothing, leave it how it is, my friend. It's going to come to you like how it is, the one me I'm using here. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go in now to lower time frames to see what is it there, my friend, what the price given us. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, if you remember us, we got here that channel. We draw it together. And what did I told you yesterday about here? I told you here at that zone. I told you the price, it's breaking for you the 200 moving average, my friend. And as you see here, the 200 moving average, what it doing here? Here, it tried to change in the direction, my friend. As you see it in front of you, my friend. Yes, it's looking here flat a little bit here. But now it's looking going up because the news has saturated to you, but you need to make a close eye at the coming news of tomorrow, my friend. Because tomorrow is going to come the GDP of USA, my friend. So you need to make a close eye at it. And I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Till now, I think that Bitcoin is going to go till here, till that zone here. Then after that, it's going to drop, my friend. So make a close eye at those things. Let's analyze for you our indicator, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it entered at the overbought area again. So you need to make a close attention at those levels, my friend. Don't buy at that level. When it's at that level, you always try to take some profit, my friend. Also last time we enter from here and we enter from here, if you remember it. So all those times we're making profit, my friend. As you see it here and here. That one also we don't enter in it. Me, I'm talking here about scalping and day trading. So you need to make a close attention at that level, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.